Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hey kids, let's draw. Draw the alphabet letter A. Draw a juicy apple next bit. Simple, fun, and easy to learn.
Fabulous. Whoa. Cool.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Fantastic. Bravo. Bravo.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.